Hello and welcome to another video. As you will have seen already, this is a good old-fashioned unboxing. So I ordered these. I'll show you what they are in a minute. You've seen them on the thumbnail probably. But let's just give you an update on this. There's a couple of videos there and there about the delivery and the repair of this. It's been working quite well, but when it gets to about 40% of the way through a disc, it can't really read the rest of the disc. It keeps skipping. So I think I know what the problem is for that. So I think that's a lubrication problem. So rather than lubricate everything in there, I'm going to lubricate one thing at a time and see if that actually fixes it. See what part of the lubrication process actually fixes it. So you can lubricate all the gears, you can lubricate the rails. There's lots of gears you can lubricate, but I want to know which one is the definitive answer to a mini disc that is skipping on part way through or near the end of a disc. So that's going to come up soon, and I wasn't planning to open this on tonight. I've had a really long day at work on my 9 to 5 and my business as well. It's about 9 or 10 hours today. I was just sitting down enjoying a rest, and I thought I'd open up some butter. It's not butter really. So I ordered these. I think they were £17 something. I didn't mean to order them. There was a guy that was selling a lot of mini discs. He'd listed, and they're all, I think, actually it might have been the same guy, but I was looking at a guy who was selling lots of mini discs. I think it was this guy. Lots of different batches. He'd listed them, and they were listed in about 3-minute intervals. So he must have got them all prepared and then listed them all in one go. And I thought, well, I'll buy some of those. But I like the look of these ones. They're all sealed, but I didn't mean to buy them. Actually, these aren't the ones. Oh, I must have ordered some more. Hang on, give me 1 second. No, I'm wrong. I've ordered more than I thought. That's these ones I'm opening now. That's the one that I didn't mean to buy. He had a lot of mini disc packs on sale. Next thing I know, I've won this auction, and this is just for 5 discs, which are the same colour, which I wasn't planning to buy. And I've also purchased this batch of 64 used discs. So I guess I've got a lot of videos and discs to go through. So these ones are Maxell Couler. I think they're French Couler discs, and I've never had some of these. So, oh, that's weird. So you can see that plastic around them. It's not completely wrapped. It's not wrapped there or there. It's only wrapped in a band around there. So they're supposedly new, but I suppose potentially you could use them and then sell them as new. So we'll have a look at them, shall we? So these I think are Japan only as well. Well, it must be, yeah, they can't be French. That's not French even, I know that. Pretty cool labels. So let's unbox them all. Typical, actually that's not a typical Maxell case, that's quite soft. Whereas that is a harder case, that's a Maxell case, so that's a softer plastic. Oh, very nice though. Let's have a look and see if we can see anything to indicate whether they are new or not. There'll be no dust on them if they're brand new. Oh, is that the tracks you can see there? That's interesting. I'm a bit hoarse today. Yeah, they look brand new. I don't think they've been used. I'm quite a fan of Maxell discs. Let's open them all up. I'm a fan of orange, but I do like this blue one, I think, a bit better. Yeah, I can't even remember how much I paid for these now. I know it was on the screen a minute ago, but I'll put it below as well. That's a nice colour too. No, I think I prefer that one though. So today is the 13th of May, and I've probably got enough videos already for one a week for a month. So with any luck though, I'll get this one done in one take. I'm really looking forward to getting that batch of 66 discs. Well, that's very nice. They feel a bit lighter, these ones. I wonder if they're made from a different type. Yeah, they're made from the same type of plastic, I think, as the cases. Very interesting. Very nice. Just another bit on these labels. I really like these labels. This one here is the label for the back of the slipcase. That's always useful to have on there. These are for the spines of the disc themselves. Probably up the other end actually. No, that's right, they go on the bottom. And these ones are for the face of the disc. And some tiny little labels there. Don't know where they go. And I don't know where that one goes. So, very interesting. Oh, it tells you on the back, look. Very nice. Okay, not bad. Just 2 shots and an easy to edit video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.